Hi, everyone. This is Sandy Chika from Riverside Brookfield High School, just outside Chicago, Illinois, and I'm here to talk to you about strings. In this video, we're going to interpret programs with pseudocode that use strings. So, what will you learn? Well, I want you to be able to evaluate expressions that manipulate strings. Some things you will need to know is string concatenation joins two or more strings end to end to make a new string, and a substring is a part of an existing string. So let's look at some examples and information about strings. Well, to start off, strings are ordered sequence of characters. Characters can be numbers, letters, special characters, even a space is a character. Some procedures may exist that can be used with strings. Each programming language has its own procedures, methods, or functions. Some examples of string procedures you might be able to use are as follows. Len str, if str is a string. This returns the number of characters in str. So if we put happy, the string happy inside the parentheses for len, it will return 5 because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 characters. Concat with two strings given as parameters, str1 and str2. Concat will return a single string consisting of this first string immediately followed by the characters in the second string. So for instance, concat cs, comma fun returns cs fun. Substring's a little bit trickier, but not too bad. That takes three parameters. str1, which is the string, start, which is the index where we're going to start our substring, and length, how many characters will be in our substring. So for instance, if I have substring APCS principles, so that's my str1, 3 is my start, and 6 is my length. I'm going to go to the string to index 3. 1, 2, 3. So C is where I start. And now I need 6 characters starting at C. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it ends at the end. So this call to substring will return CSPRIN. Let's try to use these in some practice questions. So here is some block code, and I want you to use the procedures given for substring and concat. If you need to, when you pause your video, you can always rewind to look at how they function again. So pause your video and see if you can figure out what this will output. I hope you took a moment to look at this. Let's go through it together. Maria is assigned to first name. Garcia is assigned to last name. Now I'm going to do a substring for first name, which is Maria, that starts at index 1 and is only one character long. So that's going to be stored in temp. So temp will just have the M of Maria. I'm going to assign to name the concat of last name followed by temp. So last name was Garcia. Temp we saw was M. So name is Garcia M. Email is going to be assigned the concat of name followed by the characters at cbhs.net. So Garcia M at cbhs.net. So when I display my email, I'm going to get Garcia M at cbhs.net. Here's another question to practice. We're going to use substring, concat, and len here. Pause your video and see if you can come up with what the output will be. I hope you took a minute to look at this. Let's go through it together. Tigers is assigned to word 1, elephant to word 2. Now len 1 is being assigned the len of word 1. That's how many characters are in word 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So len 1 equals 3. Len 2 is being assigned Len of word two. So how many characters are in word two? Well, there's 8 in elephant. Divided by 2 is 4. So len 2 is 4. Now I'm going to make a substring. First, we'll hold the substring of word 1, which is tigers, starting at index 1 for a length of 3 characters. So I start at T, go 3 characters, and first is tig. Second is going to be assigned the substring of word 2. Now this one is going to start at len 2 plus 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So I have to go to character 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is my H. And I'm going to go for len 2 characters, 4 characters. So H-A-N-T. Second is hant. New animal will be assigned the concat of first and second. So tig followed by hant. Tigant is my new animal. So I will display tigant. What should you take away? I hope that you are now able to evaluate expressions that manipulate strings. Remember, a string concatenation joins 2 or more strings end to end to make a new string, and a substring is part of an existing string. Thank you for watching this video. I'll hope you'll come back and watch some more videos in the CS Principles Library. Until then, go out and have some fun with CS.